Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on YouTube. So unfortunately YouTube has made it really difficult for us to actually block someone on YouTube. However, I found a few workarounds around on how you can still block someone on YouTube because there's no actual option to block someone. Luckily there are a few ways around this. So what you want to do is you want to go to home and you want to find a person you want to block. Then you want to go to one of their videos and you want to click on those three dots next under the video time, and then you want to simply click on don't recommend channel. What this will do, it will not recommend the channel anymore, and it will just basically just never show the channel anymore as if you have blocked that channel. What you can also do is go to any video any channel you want, and then go to the top right corner of your screen and the three dots, and you can click on hide user from my channel, and this will basically mean that you will never see their comments anymore, and it's basically like this user just isn't here on YouTube. So you click on it and now you've basically blocked them as well. And there's one more way to actually block someone on YouTube, and that is by going into any live stream. It doesn't really matter which one. And then you want to go to the live chat, and in order to block someone there, you can simply click on their profile picture and then click on block. And this is the only actual block option they have. However, this will only block them over on live streams, meaning you will not see their messages anymore. But this is the cool and the easiest way to block someone over on the live stream. So yeah, that are the three ways on how you can block someone on YouTube. If you learned something from this video, and I hope you still found this video useful, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.